so ai na whakapai na swafutai o e koko o whai au. Ia o leo a le ai, o leo whatawa ai whai ma whonga tau moli moli. O le ai ka le nei o te tina Christo. O ai Mulipola a Apelu. O le atau whai sa mātou sau, o statou sau tu whatasi. O wale so ngatu le ai fōu. O lo unia e lima, le tupe, whatunu aina, mātou te whai ngaro whatuai, ia Christo manisteri. O wale tu ina lalo se la whai fōu, le aso asa nei. O le sibala le nei, e au whiai ainga sa Mulipola, ainga sa whaniti, o le ainga nunga, o tō upala wai whana nau mai le ainga sa Mulipola, le o e sau tō whai, o le taimi nei ki tala mai, a mai mātupe nau tō awane tō asu tātupe mwhai. I always try to use the universal language as I do things, but it's so hard. So to my Tongan, new inherited Tongan side of our family, we welcome Miss Tenny with open arms. This is our taualuga, and I'm holding in my hand our present to help them with their down payment of their home next week. I'm not telling you how much. They'll find out for themselves. However, in our family we have so many high chiefs, bishops, and ministers, so I'm a no chief. I'm up here to speak on behalf of all of them. So I need all of you to come help with our taualuga. And if you have a single taka man in the family, I'm single today. Yep. So